Thinking about buying a condo? Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or someone looking to downsize, condos can offer a lot of appeal, but they're not for everyone. So let's break down the pros and cons of condo ownership so you can decide if it's a lifestyle that's right for you. Number 1, affordability. Compared to detached homes, condos are generally more affordable, especially in urban centers like Toronto. This makes them a popular option for first-time buyers who want to get into the market without breaking the bank. Number 2, low maintenance living. One of the biggest benefits of condo ownership is that you don't have to worry about mowing the lawn, shoveling the snow, or fixing the roof. Those exterior maintenance items are handled by the condo corporation and they're paid through your monthly maintenance fees. Number 3, amenities. Many condos come with built-in amenities like gyms, pools, concierge service, guest suites, and party rooms. If you enjoy having these conveniences without the hassle of upkeep, this can be a big plus. Number 4, convenience. Condos are designed for convenience. You often get underground parking, garbage chutes on every floor, and package delivery systems, all things that make day-to-day living easier. Number 5, no stairs. For many buyers, especially those with mobility concerns or just a love of convenience, the elevator lifestyle is a huge bonus. You won't have to deal with stairs to get to your front door, and inside your unit, layouts are typically flat and stair-free as well. That makes things like groceries, strollers, or aging in place much more manageable. Number 6, security. Most condos have controlled access, cameras, and in many cases, a 24/7 concierge. For people who value peace of mind and added security, this can be a huge advantage, especially for those living alone or traveling frequently. Number 7, location. Condos are often located in prime neighborhoods close to transit, restaurants, and shopping. If walkability and access to the city life are important to you, condo living can be a great fit. Number 8, fewer bugs and pests. Since most condo units are off the ground and professionally maintained, condos typically have fewer bugs, rodents, and pests compared to freehold houses. This is an underrated perk, especially if you're squeamish about unwanted critters. Now let's talk about the cons of owning a condo. The first is monthly maintenance fees. While you save time on upkeep, you do pay for it. Condo fees can range widely depending on the building, and they can go up over time. It's important to understand exactly what your monthly fee covers and budget accordingly. The next con would be the rules and restrictions. Every condo has its own set of bylaws, and some can be pretty strict. You might face restrictions on things like renovations, short-term rentals, pets, or even what you can have on your balcony. Make sure to read the status certificate and understand the rules before you buy. Another con are special assessments. If the condo's reserve fund isn't well managed or an unexpected repair comes up, owners can be hit with special assessments. Basically, these are surprise costs you'll be required to pay on top of your monthly fees. Another con is lack of control. Unlike a freehold home, condo decisions are made collectively. Whether it's upgrading the lobby, changing security systems, or how the building handles repairs, decisions go through the board. That means less personal control and more group decision-making. The next con would be resale considerations. Not all condos are created equal. Things like high maintenance fees, poor management, or upcoming major repairs can affect your resale value. If you're buying as an investment or with plans to sell within a few years, make sure to look at market trends and building history. I do want to mention, however, that even though maintenance fees and special assessments show up in the cons list, it's worth noting that freehold homes come with their own version of these costs too. You'll still have to budget for repairs, unexpected issues, and general upkeep. It just isn't as structured or predictable as it is in a condo. So while it might feel like a downside, the reality is that all property types come with costs, they just show up differently. So, is a condo right for you? Well, if you're looking for a more affordable entry into the real estate market and want a low maintenance lifestyle and love the idea of city living, a condo can be a great fit. But if you want full control over your property, you don't like rules, or you prefer a bit more space and privacy, then it may not be the right choice. The key is to understand what you're buying into, review the building's financials, and be clear on what you value most in your home. If you're interested in learning more about condo living, feel free to watch the other videos in our playlist, or of course, you can reach out to me with questions at any time.